Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Google Ads, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you pause an ad group in a Google Ads campaign? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to pause an ad group in one of your Google Ads campaigns anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing Google Ads, you know that within the campaign, you have a lot of different ad groups, and some of them just aren't performing, so it's better to go ahead and disable them. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Ads dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Google Ads, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to pause one of your ad groups, here on the left, you're going to click on campaigns. Once you do that, you're going to see this menu, and you want to click on campaigns. Once you click on campaigns, you're going to see another drop down, and you want to click on ad groups. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the boxes here at the top, and what you want to do is go ahead and select the campaign that holds the ad group you want to pause. Okay, once you've selected the campaign, off to the right here, you're going to see all of the ad groups inside of that campaign. Go ahead and click here and then choose the ad group that you want to pause. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this menu right here at the bottom, and you should see it's green enabled. Now, in order to go ahead and pause this one ad group, you're going to click here and you'll see a drop down and click on pause. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now it says paused. So now what's happening is this campaign is still running and all of the ad groups within it are still running except for this one that we just paused. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to pause one ad group in your Google Ads campaign, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.